Hi everyone, in this video I'm going to show you how to get your OpenAI API key. First of all, open your browser, then go to openai.com. Now go to the website. Now once you're in the website, you will have to log in and after that go to the API section instead of going to ChatGPT. Now once you're in the API window, click on this API keys window right here on the left side and click on create new secret key and click on create secret key. After that you can just copy it by clicking on this button right here, and that's it. So that's pretty much it, and that's how you can get your OpenAI API key. Hope you guys liked it. Thanks for watching. Bye.